Hello, my name is Miss Jill and I work at the Upper Library. Welcome to Kids Can Cook. Today we are going to show you how to make 7-layer bars. And let me show you the ingredients. You need to have a stick of butter, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of butterscotch chips. You'll want to have a package of graham crackers, which we are going to make these into crumbs, and so it'll be about 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs. You need some sweet condensed milk, 1 cup of coconut, and if you would like to, you can put some crushed nuts on your 7-layer bars. So these are the ingredients. I have some people that are going to come and show us how to put it all together. Happy to have some people come and help me today. If you would tell us your names and a food that you like. So Mallory, let's start with you.
Chocolate chips.
Oh, you like chocolate chips? Yeah, good job. Okay, let's see what your mom likes.
Hi, I'm Amanda, and my favorite food is lasagna.
Ooh, that sounds good too.
Hi, my name is Mckenna and I like pizza.
Oh, very good. See, we all have our favorites, don't we? But today we are going to be making some 7-layer bars. And to start out with, now you could use a 9x13 pan, but I find that I like mine a little thicker, so I use a smaller pan. So, Mckenna, if you would hold the pan up, your mom is going to spray it. You don't want things to stick, especially when it's so yummy. You want to make sure that you spray it really good.
On my hands.
Sometimes that happens, trust me. I have had it happen. Okay, so now it is all sprayed, and Mckenna is going to go ahead and put in the 1/2 cup of melted butter.
Okay.
And she's going to try to spread that around the best that she can. There we go. And you know, maybe it's just going to go around just right. Do you think you need to, or does it look pretty
Does it look
even?
like it's covering all the corners? Maybe give it a little jiggle.
There we go. Okay, now, you know what? Let's put the pan right in the center where your mom is. Could you move the blue bowl? There we go. Because what Mallory is now going to do, we have a package of graham crackers that we crunched up, and she's going to take a spoon and try to even those out around the butter, on top of the butter, I should say. And while she is doing that, Mckenna is going to put in the blue bowl 1 cup of the butterscotch bits. But I only have one measuring cup that is the 1 cup, so she has a 1/2 cup. So how many of those are you going to put in?
2.
2. There we go. And try to fill it so that it is even across the top.
All the way up to the top.
And you know what? Mallory, we're going to have you use all of those graham cracker crumbs.
All of those in there.
And you know what? You can probably put a few more in, Mallory, or Mckenna. Oh, does your mom get your names mixed up?
I call you the wrong name sometimes?
There.
Yeah.
And you know what? There. That'll be really good. And just put that in the blue bowl.
Good job. Can you put some more there too?
Because you know what? Mallory is almost done.
Over here.
These look delicious.
Oh, they will be delicious.
They smell
Trust
delicious.
me.
I know, they already look delicious when you've only got like 2 things on them.
I know. And just think how much better it'll be when we have everything on.
This corner too.
Yeah, you can even it out with your
Maybe
spoon.
put some in that corner
And you know what? Maybe you can have your mom just dump it in, and then you can spread it around.
too. Hey, stop it. These butterscotch chips smell really good, Mommy.
Oh, they do. You know, I can understand why Mallory likes chocolate chips. Okay, Mallory, that looks really good. And now, Mckenna is going to go ahead and put the butterscotch bits on.
Good job.
And we'll move it over so it's easier for you, Mckenna. Okay?
There you go. Good job.
And, okay, Mallory, as she is putting the butterscotch bits on, can you put the chocolate chips in the 1 cup? And you know what? I had this all planned out that you would do that even before I knew you liked chocolate chips. Yay.
You had a
That's
perfect
how
guess.
amazing she is.
I know. That is how amazing Mallory is. Oh, Mallory, I should have cut that open just a little bit more. You're getting it.
Wiggle it a little bit there.
So,
There
Mallory,
you go.
do you like chocolate chip cookies or chocolate chip muffins?
Chocolate chip cookies.
Cookies.
I like muffins.
Oh, I like those too.
Can I eat this?
No, not right now.
You know what? You can eat it when it's in the cookie.
How about that?
Why, those look like noodles, kind of.
I wonder if when you're baking at home, do you try to take some of the chocolate chips and eat them?
One time she said one and I ate like 6.
Oh my
Why,
goodness.
you know how you said, how you were asking who dumped butterscotch? I
Was that
did.
you?
And,
Ah.
and I didn't want to put them away, so I ate them.
Oh no.
And remember the butterscotch you got out of the fridge? I ate
Okay.
'em.
You
Now
get some
it
of those
looks
too?
like Mckenna has done
All
really well
right,
with the
your turn.
butterscotch
You want to
bit.
sprinkle them with your
Now
fingers?
McKenna, I need to have a cup of coconut.
There you go. Can you spread those around now? Want to use your finger? Just a little
There
bit.
you
Put 'em in
go.
this bowl.
Yes, if you would, please. And again, I need a cup of that, so you know you'll have to have 2 half cups to make a cup.
I'll put, here, let's put that up
That
here.
looks like
Oh,
cheese
Mallory's
potatoes.
doing a
Yeah.
wonderful job.
Here, wait a minute. Put that back in there.
What?
You gotta measure it first before you can
Oh,
dump
yeah,
it.
that's right.
And you know what? Lots of times they say with the coconut to kind of pack it
It's
in.
my job.
I know. I'm gonna hold it. There you go.
That's a lot.
That is
Coconut
okay.
Looks disgusting.
No, it's okay.
Oh, I have never cracked open a coconut. They have a really hard shell. And you know what?
Looks like orange and black.
Mallory, as Mckenna is doing that, we have some crushed nuts. And I'd like you to put some of the crushed nuts on. Now, Mallory told me earlier that she doesn't always like nuts, but she said she would put it on half of it. Unless you decide to put it on the whole thing. And just take your hand. If you're not going to put it on the whole thing,
You
you
want
probably
the whole
won't want
thing
to
or
put
just half?
all of them
Whole
on.
thing.
Oh,
Looks like
she's gonna do the
orange
whole
and
thing.
black right
Oh.
with that.
It does look like the perfect orange and black snack, doesn't it?
You know what? I never thought of that. And we're the upper Rams. That is very good.
Good job.
I'm lucky I have a food processor, so I was able to do the graham crackers in that along with the nuts.
I just crush them up with my hands.
Well, you know what? Sometimes for the nuts, if you want to have nuts that are a little bit bigger, I do it that way too. Because I love nuts, especially in my chocolate chip cookies, Mallory.
Oh.
Oh,
Should we try nuts
yes.
in your chocolate chip cookies next time?
Nope.
Hey, after eating these cookies,
You
you
might
may
like
find that you really like them. And lots of times they're in cinnamon rolls. They were telling me earlier that they had made strawberry cinnamon rolls.
You did. You guys like the strawberry cinnamon rolls?
Love them.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
Got it all. Do you want to give it a little tap?
There. Very good.
Job.
Okay, now Mckenna, if you would go ahead and put the coconut on top of that. And you can use your fingers. Because you washed your hands. They washed their hands really, really good before we started any of this. Mallory, do you help your mom and dad in the kitchen? Do you? Good for you.
They both like to help cook.
That
don't you?
looks made up my own recipe.
Oh, you did? What did you make?
It was pretty much like a s'more with a fruit in it. It was like graham crackers, Reese's Pieces, and marshmallows, and you can do it like strawberries or blueberries.
Oh, yum.
It's
That would be
pretty tasty.
delicious.
I did it too.
And what did you put on yours?
And what did you make us to drink when we had it?
Lemonade.
She made lemonade for us.
Oh, very good. Now we're going to have your mom put on the sweetened condensed milk. It's kind of a liquid, and so I sometimes find it hard to put it on. But I have the spatula right there, so hopefully all that will help. And you just kind of, make streams back and forth with
It
that.
looks really sticky.
It is. You would kind of compare it, probably like to honey. It's that sticky. And so if any of it gets out, your counter gets really, really sticky. But see, your mom is doing really good. See, that's why I had her do this.
That was the mom job.
I
Yeah.
could have done a good job too.
I'm sure you could have, but you know what? Your mom
I'm
is
better
really
than
neat.
you.
And you just kind of
Some
put
in
that
the
all
edge.
around.
My ear's here, man. So it doesn't
Oh.
burn.
Yeah, well, you want to use it all.
Like
That'll kind of
Because it's
keep all
very,
of our
very
stuff
good.
together in there.
kind of the
The
coconut.
coconut looks like
The coconut
cheese.
flakes
It
looks
does,
like
but it
cheese.
tastes good. It's pretty sweet.
Oh yes, you know what? There is mozzarella cheese that is white, and it looks like that, doesn't it?
All right.
And you know what?
One
I
more
bake
little
these at
pass.
350, and I start out like at 20 minutes. And then if you find you need it longer, you can put it in longer. But what I have found, as soon as they come out of the oven, I have a hot pad, and I try to take a knife and go around the edge so that the edge doesn't stick to the edge of the pan.
Sounds
Maybe
good.
we should
So,
have this for some.
Mallory, could you show everybody what the final 7-layer cookie looks like?
It should look like that.
Hold it up.
Yes, they should look just
Here, I'll
like
move
that.
out of the way.
Very good. All right. Well, I want to thank you for coming and helping us today. You have been a big help. Okay, everybody, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.